Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. As you can see, we are 50% complete with our primary suite and I absolutely love it. But today it's about my bedroom, but not about my bedroom. Today's video is sponsored by Claude. If you are unfamiliar with Claude by Anthropic is an AI assistant. You can ask Claude to help with writing, research, brainstorming, organizing, and ideas. In my personal opinion, because I'm an interior designer and I'm always on the go, and y'all already know my system, it's a measure twice, order once, so that way I don't mess up an order. If I had to give you a comparison, because I know most of you guys are pretty much familiar with ChatGPT, Claude to me seems like more of a knowledgeable best friend. And so once you ask Claude a question and it responds back to you, with the factual information, but on your level. So what I did when I first initially went into Claude is I gave it a full detail about myself. Hi, my name is Casanova. I'm an interior designer, a mom, new fiance, okay? And then I pretty much gave it a little bit of a personality. So when it responds back to me, it can respond back to me in my voice. So it's pretty much me times 2. To give you a little bit more further detail about Claude, you can attach everything from your investment account, your bank account, your email, and your Gmail. So when you want to do a quick scan of your day, if you want to do a scan of an email, Claude can actually grab those tools and put them in and give you the information that you're asking for. On a simpler base, I know I'm an interior designer and you guys are always looking for tricks and tips on how to work things into your space. I have been using Claude for all of my measurements. One of the biggest mistakes that I see on Instagram and even here on YouTube is you guys are picking the wrong size rug. Now you can go into Claude, measure the length of your wall, measure the length of your bed, and ask Claude what size rug better suits this room, and Claude will let you know. And then you can kind of go from there. These are just really small tips on how you can use Claude in the most minimal way. Hey Claude, my room is 160 inches wide by 140 inches long. What is the best size light fixture to put in this room? I want you to see the prompts right here. I want a really nice light fixture. Can you scroll the internet and do a search to find a glass light fixture with the 30 to 32 inch measurement?
Does Claude talk?
No, it does not talk, but what Claude does do is search the internet
and
find links.
Okay,
and you just click it right into.
Nicely.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Claude, my budget is $1,500. Can we find chandeliers for the room in that price range for the 30 to 32? Not Claude giving me a $40,000 light fixture.
40?
4,000.
Oh, 4,000.
Be specific, y'all. Be specific. As you can see, once Claude is complete, it then gives you a list of sources for light options. And because I particularly love this website, let's go ahead and click this one here. Ooh, come on, Claude. Yes. Listen, I'm loving this so much. Interesting part is I want to turn to my closet so you can see something really quickly. So now we're in my closet. Unfortunately, I was introduced to Claude after this area was renovated, but as you can see, Claude is so useful that it really gave a similar lighting to what I had already selected into my closet. So if you want to think about it in a very endearing way, it's like having SBC in your home. What I really feel is you need to create a relationship with Claude. Allow it to get to know your personality, who you are, put in your budget, put in your range, put in what you are looking for. One of the top questions that I get asked is, Nadia, what paint is in your room. Now you can go into Claude and simply say, hey Claude, I want a relaxing feel, I want a cool tone, I want a warm. And if you don't know what a cool and a warm tone is, go ahead and say, hey, can you break down warm? Can you break down cool? And then can you give me the best paint options, whether you want to go to Sherwin or Benjamin Moore. There's so many options, but tell them I want the best neutrals, something that is not popular or trendy to try it in my space, or I want to try a dark tone, or I want to try a moody tone, or can you just give me some ideas? Also, can you throw in some links and search? You're gonna have to go into Claude and set all of the settings for it to do your web search, for it to do an email search, for it to do your calendar also. But overall, this last week of using Claude, I have found it so helpful and useful. I'm still trying to figure certain things out within the app, but the great thing is you can use it on your computer and you can have the easy access of using it on your phone to give it its prompts. So when you are out, take pictures of things in your home, take pictures, take measurements. That way, even when it comes to purchasing material, if you want to build your closet, you can have the measurement to know exactly to a T how much material you're going to need. If you want to see a prompt, I'll show you one real quickly. Right, bring my phone. I want to build a custom closet and I want to go to Home Depot and purchase plywood. My closet is 225 inches wide by 152 inches long. How much material am I going to need? So what I'm doing now is I am copying and pasting the questions. Copy, paste. Nine feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. I'm just gonna put 24. Is so good, and this is precisely about how much we ended up spending on material. I want to say we spent about $1,200 on material, and so it says total cost of $1,700. But again, like I said, I didn't remove the window and I didn't remove the doors. The entire room is not shelving, just to be clear. So this is a little bit of an overage. So it went with the highest, which is birch, and I don't think I used birch. Okay. Pro tip, delivery. I love the fact that we have the pro tip on delivery. So installation, budget in additional 1 to 2,000 per professional installation if needed. That is really good also, because then you'll have an idea of what you're supposed to charge someone to come in and to build something like that. And so you have the full scan. So everything balancing out, you can kind of see what this is. This is another part. Once you get done with everything, if you don't want to go and read all of the items, you can go in and look at the material, and then it gives you different options into how to get the material. It links me directly into Home Depot. If I'm not mistaken, I think I ended up going with this particular plywood here that's $65. I believe that's what I ended up getting. So you want to take that, screenshot that right now. Okay, I'm going to exit out of here. And then you have your molding. And it just takes you right in here. If you wanted to get specific, again, get specific with it. And it already gives you link on cost of crown molding also when it researched the internet, which is so good. I love this. I love this. A lot of times when my friends call me, they're like, how much is this? What is this going for? What is this? Claude literally does the research for you for everything. It gives you the cost, it gives you the website, it gives you options, it gives you the easiest way. And then of course, if you want to find a contractor, also find the best rating contractor in my area. And that way you can kind of go from there in order to start planning your home renovation. I have been enjoying it again. Like I said, it's such a great tool to use. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful because I will be using Claude. Although I'm done with most of the heavy laboring and intensive things that's going into the bedroom, we still have the bathroom to work on. We still have upstairs. And then next year, fingers crossed, we will be working on the kitchen, and I will definitely be keeping Claude close to the chest. So again, I hate that I was introduced to Claude so late into the game, but next year, fingers crossed, we will be working on our kitchen and I will have to use Claude. I want to also share with you how Claude by Anthropic is lifestyle related. On the research key, you're going to click off the actual blue button right there. And what I do is I activate my calendar and also my email. As you can see here, I'm asking about any messages that I received from my pastor. As you guys know, I am newly engaged and we're going to be starting our sessions of therapy before marriage. And so it gave me the calendar. As you can see, my pastor has been rescheduling things. So not only can I ask design questions, I can also deep dive into my email. I have campaigns coming up with Home Depot. I asked about that. And I even asked about upcoming payments with campaigns because sometimes we have nets that we have to keep track of. And just to be honest, I always lose track. So now I have my own handy assistant that I can pretty much ask without actually bothering my assistant. The great thing also is Claude is voice activated. So you can be in your car running around getting groceries and quickly ask Claude, hey, I put in my grocery list. Can you give it back to me? And within a few seconds, Claude is going to give you all the information that you need. When I tell you how much I have been enjoying this, if you don't already have it, let me tell you now, I'm going to highly recommend downloading it onto your phone because Claude really and truly is that girl. If you were looking for what's the difference between Claude and ChatGPT, there you have it. Also, the kids are going back to school. I simply went into Claude. I gave it a quick prompt. Hey, what are some great items for 7th and 8th grader? Not only that, I asked, I want to stay away from the stores that we are currently banning. It also gave me a list. Listen, if you are looking for a reason to get a new app on your phone, this is definitely that reason. It is everything you will not regret introducing yourself to Claude. You guys, I will be leaving all the information in the description box for you down below. You can click it, test it out, try it, see how you like it, and definitely let me know.